Thanks for tuning into BQ Prime. Mamaearth's parent, Honasa Consumer, has listed on the stock exchanges today. And with me is the management, Mr. Varun Alagh and Ghazal Alagh. And let's understand from them how do they feel about getting listed on the stock exchanges. Congratulations, guys, on the listing. And, given the kind of demand that we saw for the IPO, we saw many of the QIBs and institutional investors showing more interest. So, right, any names that that you would be like to share with us? What kind of investors' interest and response have you seen, and how do you feel about it? Are you happy with the kind of interest and demand that you've seen?
I think, like you said, we just listed. It's a lot to take in. We haven't gotten a minute to just be and absorb this moment. But that said, we are very happy with what we have achieved. We saw a lot of very good interest. We have, and Varun can talk about it, but we have people like Capital Group. We have, a lot of very trusted MFs on board with us. So yeah, about the demand, I think we are very happy, and we are so glad that people trusted us in our business model and have shown faith in the fact that we will be able to deliver in future basis our business models and our brand playbooks.
Would you like to join in this?
Oh, I mean, I just want to express gratitude to everyone who is trusted and believed in us, be it our early investors, institutions who have partnered with us before this public market journey, or investors who have partnered with us in the public market journey, be it institutions, mutual funds, insurance companies, or the amazing HNIs who have put in their trust in us, founders who have put in trust in us, right? And of course, our consumers, right? More than 100,000, retail investors and consumers came together and have invested in the company. So that's just feels so beautiful.
You have said it earlier that offline expansion is something that you're looking at right now that you have listed, and with the proceeds and everything. What is the plan there, at least in the next 1 or 2 years?
I think offline, like you said, continues to be a very important channel for us. We started that segment just 2 years back with our largest brand, Mamaearth. We have seen very strong growth there. We will continue to explore and increase our distributionship there. That said, Mamaearth is the only brand which is currently available in offline. Dermaco, now at the scale of 300 crore ARR, is just starting to venture into offline. Still very early days, but going forward, be it expansion and distribution, be it opening our own exclusive stores, we will continue to explore that channel for our company.
Right. What about any plans in the acquisition side, as you have been seen, acquiring BBlunt and other, Dermaco for that matter, because, brands matter for, company like Mamaearth, right? So anything planned in that segment?
So we do take pride in the fact that we are brand builders and we have ability to build brands. We have not only built a Mamaearth, but also crafted a Derma company or an Aqualogica. And even in future, priority would be to actually organically craft brands, right? But we'll selectively look at acquisitions. Right now, we are not looking at any.
What about the profitability, trajectory, given the FY22 that we've seen and FY23 as well? Still, not right there in terms of profitability, right? So now that you've listed, and many of the investors would want to understand, what the company is doing, and, how are you planning to at least achieve that sort of profitability in future? What are the plans on that?
I think we have demonstrated that as the business grows, there is leverage and there is efficiency that kicks in. Q1 of 24, we have delivered 25 crores of profit, 6% net EBITDA. That is just a start of how, as we scale, things can get better and will continue to get better. And I think over the next few quarters, as we continue to meet, you will continue to see how that journey shapes. But we are very positive of how that journey will shape.
Any sort of turnover in mind to kind of achieve, because you kind of broke that band, right? But now in at least the next few years, any target in mind to kind of work towards it that will obviously help you in profitability as well?
Target, I think, 1000 kiya tha fastest, 2000 karenge fastest, 3000 karenge fastest, 5000 karenge fastest.
Any plans to double it in the next few years?
We'll just continue working on that, right? I think the objective is to continue to grow faster than the industry. So, and that's something that we will keep putting our efforts towards.
I know that you can't comment on the numbers. Obviously, you'll be, releasing your Q2 numbers soon. But in general, the demand and the trend in your business, revenue-wise, margin-wise, and also contribution-wise, how do you see FY23 kind of ending for Mamaearth in terms of financials?
You mean FY24?
24, sorry.
Yeah,
I'm really sorry.
right.
Yeah.
So no, I think we feel we're in a very good shape, right? From the growth and demand perspective, our brands continue to see consumer love, right? And we hope to continue to see more love in the future.
Right. Great talking to you guys. And again, congratulations on the listing.
Thank you so much. Thank you.